Exam results will be available next week on the course website. Exam results will be available next week on the course website.
This part of session is not supported by documentation. This part of session is not supported by documentation.
In this library, the reserved collection of books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours. In this library, the reserved collection of books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours.
Hypothetically, insufficient mastery in the areas slows future progress. Hypothetically, insufficient mastery in the areas slows future progress.
I didn't understand the author's point of view on immigration. I didn't understand the author's point of view on immigration. Acupuncture is a technique involved in traditional Chinese medicine. Acupuncture is a technique involved in traditional Chinese medicine.
The cafeteria closes soon, but the snack machine is accessible throughout the night. The cafeteria closes soon, but the snack machine is accessible throughout the night.
A demonstrated ability to write clear, correct and concise English is bigotry. A demonstrated ability to write clear, correct and concise English is bigotry.
The key to success in the exam is to study hard and do well. The key to success in the exam is to study hard and do well. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to other parts of the body.
Students can download the materials on the website. Students can download the materials on the website.
Meeting with mentors could be arranged for students who need additional help. Meeting with mentors could be arranged for students who need additional help. Student Center is located at the first floor of the home building. Student Center is located at the first floor of the home building. British students must study mathematics at secondary schools. British students must study mathematics at secondary schools. The artist-eyed conservative politicians earned their roles of critics. The artist-eyed conservative politicians earned their roles of critics. The placement test for mathematics and statistics is offered in this semester. The placement test for mathematics and statistics is offered in this semester. Supply and demand is one of the most fundamental factors in the academic economics. Supply and demand is one of the most fundamental factors in the academic economics. Chemistry building is located at the entrance to the campus. Chemistry building is located at the entrance to the campus. Mentors could be arranged for students who need additional help. Mentors could be arranged for students who need additional help.
The gap between the rich and the poor has not decreased rapidly as expected. The gap between the rich and the poor has not decreased rapidly as expected.